This video is for Scott Freethy. Scott, this is PQ Customs from Let Go. It is, what time is it? Because my computer isn't turning on. It is 9:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, September 1st, 2017. This is the Prusa, or the i3 Prusa clone. I actually already have it heating up for PLA, which is the type of the type of filament that it uses, and it comes with that. This is actually a program called Cura. You can use different others, but this one seems to work decently. This is what I did when I was first testing it out, even though I never leveled off the bed. But let's just get something loaded up in here so you can see. I just got a little spade that I used on one of my previous modded Xboxes. Okay. Oh, another thing that I didn't mention, mainly because I completely forgot about it up until now, is the fact that it does not come with one of the printer cables, just because it didn't to begin with. And I'm using the one from my other one, but you know, it's literally any standard, like just regular printer cable will work with it. Let's go ahead and print via USB. Okay. And it's going to take a couple of seconds because it's heating up. As you can see there, it shows the hot end is at 44 to, well, and climbing, but 46 and climbing. And there you go. Also shows that it's getting itself prepared. Again, the bed does need to be leveled off. I'm going to be honest with you, I lost interest in getting it done since I fixed my other one. But it's a pretty simple process to level it. There's these, they're literally just little screws. There's 4 of them, and as you can probably imagine, you would just keep adjusting them until you get it nice and level. And I mean, honestly, you can't really tell, but from where it's sitting on my workstation here, the workstation itself isn't really very level, so that doesn't help either. And if I'm not mistaken, for PLA it generally has to heat up to 190 degrees Celsius. I could be wrong on that. I haven't printed in PLA in a while. I generally use ABS. But we're getting there. And you probably can't tell because it's dark and my phone sucks, but your extruder fan is right there on the end, moving nice and quick like we need it to. Oh, I probably should have cleaned the extruder head from the last time I test printed. No big deal, it'll still go. Yeah, this could honestly stand to go a bit quicker, but we're getting there. Just want you to see that everything is matching up and heating because, you know, it is synced up with this particular program. It's looking like we're about 176, should be getting there. Yeah, sorry, if I had known it was going to take this long to heat up, I would have had it preheating for a bit longer. Alright, and I did make a mistake. It has to go up to 200 degrees Celsius. But we're just about there. Those last 2 degrees are the killer. Alright, well, we're at 200. And showtime. And with it not really particularly printing anything on its first and second go around here, it's because, again, the bed isn't leveled off. But now you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, but it is starting to print there. Yeah, it's only really leveled in one area, which is why it's only doing like basic laydowns in that one area up front. But again, once you get her leveled off, she'll be completely fine. Yeah, now you can see it a little bit better how it's laying it down there in that one spot. Because again, it's the only spot that's actually leveled. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this uploaded to YouTube and send you the link.